yeah, and hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So picking up from where I left off in my last video, I shared my recipe for my DIY clay mask. I will link that video below, and yeah, you get to see my results there. I applied a leave-in conditioner in the shower, slept with a t-shirt on my head, and now I am here. I'm going to start in this back corner here. I always start in this corner, but yeah, my hair is still it's drying, but it's still damp. I've got my handy spray bottle. Then I am using the Melanin Twisty Elongating Cream, as well as this bad boy right here. I have seen a few people try this, and mainly Hazel Goddess, and I really love her results. Now mind you, me and her hair, we don't have the same hair whatsoever, but I really love her results. So I was like, you know what, I am going to try that and see how it works. Just like this much, not much, of the Twisty Elongating Cream. Make sure I get my ends. But I'm gonna go ahead and give me a small section and just start applying the wet line to my roots. This stuff, the clear one to me smells like, and I've said this before, it smells like dog shampoo, like the one that we used to get for my dogs when I was younger from the Dollar Tree. Now, if you never washed a dog or used the shampoo from the Dollar Tree, then you probably won't agree with that, but it smells just like it. I'm pretty good with scents. And just, I don't know, things that remind me of my childhood. So yeah, now this is what it's looking like. Now this back section of my hair is not a representation of all my hair. This very back section is just different. So I'm looking in the mirror. I don't really know how that shingling process works. I see some people just pull it and then do a slight twirl. And then some people just pull it and that's it. So I don't know. How do y'all do it? For those who do the shingle method, and I've done the praying hands method and just the right through method. I feel like when I did this way, it just lasted longer. Like the definition just lasted longer. Look how frizzy that is. I mean, if it's frizzy now, we already know what the results about to look like. Hold up, this ain't working. This ain't it. See, that's what I get for trying new stuff. Why is it looking like this? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to switch it. Okay, do I keep going or what? I know my hair, and this ain't it. What in the world is this frizzy mess? Ugh! Why is my hair doing that? See? This is what the back section is looking like so far. I can't tell what this going to look like. I do feel like I'm going to have some frizziness going on. Yeah, trying to go back over a few pieces, but look. Like, what was that? Okay, even if I grab some more gel, just in case somebody wants to see that. Gel ain't gonna fix it. Maybe it needs to go the other way. Yeah, no. This is what I'm looking like. This side, of course, is already starting to dry up. It's already started to dry up, as you can see, because my hair is not that uneven. So yeah. Okay. All right, so this is it. This is my textured top knot. Let me give some back view. Okay. So these are my final results. I finished my hair at 1 o'clock and I came back home at 7. So it air dried for 6 hours, and then I had to diffuse. You know how the center is. I had to diffuse my hair for all of like 7 minutes. Wasn't long, but it's all the way dry now. But yeah, I didn't stretch the roots or anything like that. So this is just what my hair shrunk up to look like. Plenty of movement. Like I said, my hair is completely dry for all the part that's down. Plenty of movement and volume and all of that. And shout out to that moisture that I'm getting from the cream, and yeah, shout out to that wet line. It's a banging combo, and I'm glad I tried it. All right, I hope you all enjoy this video, and I'll see you next time.